as promised, your early morning wake up. However, unfortunately, not too much snow to speak of out there. I'm gonna go get the salt truck ready, check out a couple parking lots, see if there's any ice. Other than that, we're just gonna wait it out. Not too much to see on the radar either up here. It's mostly south of us, so could change by morning. We gotta be ready. Let's get ready. Okay, we checked out some properties. Not much to see. A little bit of dusting here and there. Touch of ice. In the salt truck now. Gonna head up and load up for the morning, so we should be set, and then we can just leave the snow pusher on the front loader. And then I'm gonna go out and pre-treat a lot of our lower tolerance customers so that we can buy some time there, and then we don't have to worry about anything as people are coming in during the rush hour, if it starts to stick a lot or if there's frozen stuff. So it separates the men from the boys. You go out at 1 in the morning and check your properties or not, because you never know. Bergman. You can see, oh, state truck up there, salting. The convenience of the salt barn being across the street from customer's property. Short commute to reload. It's a fresh load of salt, 36 tons right here. First scoop. Make it a big one. Oh yeah. Level that off. Back on out of here.
Look at the ground is frozen. It's cold. For a bit here with no snow on the ground, so when it comes to plowing the residential driveways and stuff, it should be less messy than if we had done it a couple days ago anyways. That's gonna be really nice. If it actually snows here, still hold my bet of less than 6 inches.
Alright, we're done for now. It's about 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. At the truck stop while we're out here filling up. Topping off anyways. Probably go back to the salt barn, top off the salt for the rest of the morning. Snow's starting to move up. Typical lake effect snowstorm fashion. 6:30, starts coming down like this. We already got about an inch in the past half hour. So, gonna call the guys in and try and keep up with it. Good thing we pre-salted some stuff. Might have bought us a little bit, but it's gonna be kind of crappy now. Typical.
Okay, 7:20. A lot different than a couple hours ago, tell you that much. We're gonna try our best to keep up with it, but it's gonna be a struggle. Traffic starting. Everybody expects it to be done by now, and it only started an hour ago, or whatever. So, what can you do? Hello.
Hey, just really quick. I'm only shoveling and salting these walkways, right? I'm not doing the area that's not plowed.
Right, yeah, just take care of the sidewalks and the walkways and the doors. Now,
Don't salt the other places, they'll be taken care of.
yeah, don't worry about salting yet till we get done plowing. And honestly, at this point, we're gonna hold off on salting till this snow slows down because it's coming as fast as we can keep up with
Well,
it.
that's what I was just clarifying. I wanted to make sure I was doing the right thing. I was like, doesn't make sense, but I was just like, all right.
Yep.
It's a lot different at my house. At my house, we have barely any snow still. So.
Yep, yeah, this just started an hour and a half ago, if that. So, it's fast.
I mean, it's a big difference just from my house to here. It's like
Yep.
you guys have a lot more than I have now. So.
Yep. But then pull a house, you are plowing that area. You see that on the list. You get that, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, call me if you got anything else.
All right, and I'm not weighing if I'm just doing this, right? Because I'm just using the salt from the buckets, right?
That's right, yeah, we don't charge them anything for that.
Okay.
Okay, all righty, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Little update, 9:30-ish. So it's been snowing for 6.5 hours. Got at least 6-7 inches, I guess. Just finishing up the first round of doing the commercial properties, and then we're gonna start all over again and do it again, but then this time include everything, residential and commercial. So who knows when the snow is gonna stop? It's hard to tell with lake effect. Some things are saying 4 o'clock, so if that's the case, we're gonna end up with a good amount of snow here, which we already got. Nice light fluffy stuff, but 1:15 now. Working on the driveways. Hopefully be done with them in a couple hours. The snow is up to the north of us right now. It's probably gonna shoot back down and we'll get it again in a little bit here, but if we can get everybody cleaned up before everybody's work lets out, that'd be good. Got some traffic to deal with now, but it's not too bad yet. Just gotta wait till 3:30, then we're screwed. So, onward and upward. Let's spin around and get these other way. already. There's the finished product over there. Nice fluffy stuff still. I think no school today is going to help us with no kids being brought to school and school buses and stuff like that.
Traffic.
Yeah. Ten to 4. Still at it. Just started coming down pretty good again. These were all cleared. These sidewalks were clear as of 20 minutes ago. So we're stacking up again. Got all my list done. My guys are pretty much all done with their rounds. Got maybe a handful of driveways that one truck's got left. But we're just gonna go back out and get some of the commercial accounts again that built up while we're doing the driveways. Another day, another dollar. A little after 5 now. Last drive of the night for me, I think. Got a couple more actually of ones that called me during the day today. I'll go hit them before I head home. This one's not really on my list. I'm just helping out one of my newer guys. Had a little bit of shoveling, all set. Everybody else is done. My list was done at around 3:30. Had to go and hit a couple of apartments. Got them cleaned back up for the night. Just got one guy coming in to take care of some late night running facilities to keep them open until 9 or 10, then he'll be done, and then the rest of us will be back at 1 or 2 and get everything cleaned up for Friday morning. So probably next time I see you Friday morning.